Hey guys, I want to do a quick video for you today. I'm going to be installing the Plus One Pro magazine bumper from Tandemkross. This is it right here. It just replaces the factory bumper here. It gives you one extra round. So 10 round mag, now you have an 11 round mag. Anything, you know, that's been my biggest complaint about the Ruger 2245, my favorite guns. But just magazine capacity. So one more round, plus it's, as you can tell, it's much easier to grab a hold of. You'll see once I'll show you with it in the gun, more to grab onto. This bumper pad also comes with this optional spring assisted kit that's supposed to help an ejection of the magazine. Of course, with that magazine disconnect safety that's in the Ruger, none of the magazines are going to fall free even with this spring assist. You got to replace it, and they've got a bushing they sent me also to put in the magazine disconnect so the magazines will fall freely. This spring assist is just supposed to help it, I guess, just eject a lot faster. So, but anyways, we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you quickly how to put on the new bumper pad, but we'll put the spring assisted kit in. But first, just take your this is just a basic factory mag from Ruger, and we're going to remove the factory base plate. So, and like I say, be very careful doing this because this spring is under a lot of pressure, and take an eye out, or there you go. And you're going to see the worst part of this job is going to be getting that spring compressed back in there. It's a pain in the butt, but I'm going to move it out of the way. We're going to go ahead and put this bumper pad together here. And like I say, the spring assist is just optional. You don't have to put it on there. I've put this base pad just on there, just along without the kit, and man, it fits just fine, and it's easy to grab a hold of. But for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put the spring assisted kit on, and basically this is the pieces. It's two little plastic pieces here, a screw and a couple little springs, and you're probably not gonna be able to tell, but this little piece it's got a couple little nubs there that the spring basically just fits over in. Bear with me, guys. I'm working around a tripod, and my 45-year-old eyes just aren't what they used to be. We'll see if we can get these springs on here. Let me see. Get these springs on the nubs. They just slide right over like, well, I'll hold my mouth right. Let's try it over here. Okay. Get a solid base to work on here. Alright. They're like so. There we go. Well, must be a trick. There we go. Okay. Alright, there's one. Let's get the other little spring here. And just need a solid base to work off of the table here. Okay, there we go. Alright, we got both the springs on. So now you just take the bumper pad, and like I said, the lighting's terrible here. You're not going to be able to see, but in this groove right here, this hole here, there's a couple little holes where the springs line up, and then there's another hole you can see here where the screw goes. So you just basically line this piece up, and I may have to go off camera here in a minute because this tripod is in my way, but basically this goes in like this. Get it lined up, the holes there, and then you just compress it. Well, let me get it back in there. And then you just compress it down once you get it lined up like that. You take this little piece where the screw goes, and it just fits right on top like that. And then get your screw there. And then you just compress it. And like I say, this one I may have to back up here, but you just compress it down like that. Let me use the screwdriver right quick. Just compress it down to the rear, and then tighten it up. Hang on, let me see. I can't get this there. I can see it better on this side. Alright, you just compress it down. Okay. There we go. Alright. As you can see, it's installed. Like I say, once you get those screws lined up, you just press it to the rear, put that piece on top of the screw, and it goes right in. And then you'll see here, we'll get it back on. Let's put it back on the now here's the fun part, getting this spring compressed without shooting it halfway across the room. But yeah, I really like this. I mean, I like the idea of having the extra magazine capacity, but with the spring assist kit, I'll be interested to see how, how well that works. If if I can tell any difference. Let me get this bumper pad on here. Hang on. Okay. Alright, here we go. I just have to hold this on. There we go. Alright. Like I say, I'm not good at working around a tripod, but there you go. Got it in place. There's the new bumper pad. Now let's get the Ruger here and install this and see how she fits. There we go. Clicks right into place. Yeah, there we go. Like the way that looks. I like the look of that. It's sticks out just enough where you can get your finger on it to release it. And of course, with the mag release, with that magazine safety disconnect in there, it's not gonna fall freely. But you see the gist of it. Looks pretty good there too. Likes the look of that. Like I say, we'll get it down to the range here the next couple days and see how she works. But yeah, that's it. Well, look at that. Actually, that spring assist, that magazine never usually comes out like. Look at that. So I can imagine with that bushing replaced, it would have installed. Oh man, it'll fly right out of there. But I like the way that ejects already because the factory mags don't even hardly move when you hit the ejection button. But that's it. That's the Plus One Pro magazine bumper with the optional spring assisted kit from Tandemkross, guys. Go over there and check out their website. They got a whole list of products for Ruger, aftermarket products for Rugers and Kel-Tecs, if you're a big fan of those like me. But that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a good one.